Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hi, it's Raj. This is the unboxing of an automobile care product which I bought from Amazon India. So it's the Formula 1 Super Mitt. It's written high performance, made of synthetic lamb's wool, carries more soap and water. So they have also recommended to use Formula 1 wash and wax with this mitt. This product is being imported to India by the seller. Okay, let's see the mitt up close. I don't think we can use it inside out. Also, the elastic band alone will not hold a wet mitt. You will have to clutch it. After using it, there were some lint leftovers, but it can be easily removed by spraying water. You can also hang it comfortably to dry after use. So as recommended, I have also bought the Formula 1 wash and wax and the result was good. So that was the unboxing of Formula 1 wash mitt. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.